Meanwhile, we talk about the wife of Arvind Kejriwal, Sunita Kejriwal, who also gained a lot of prominence since the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal, now seems to be in a celebratory mode as far as sweets and laddus that are being distributed. This is coming in from Civil Lines, the residence of the Chief Minister. And celebrations, as we talked about, has broken out in the camp of the Aam Aadmi Party. Many of the leaders who have been claiming vindication. Of course, as far as Sunita Kejriwal and her role is concerned, she is not part of the Aam Aadmi Party as a political leader, neither has fought any elections, but she has been spearheading this movement ever since her husband was placed under arrest. And surrounded by leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party, Manish Sisodia there, Atishi can be seen, Sanjay Singh can be seen. We have Tetri with us right now, who's been getting us those pictures. So what's when the situation looking as of now, Tetri, at the residence of Arvind Kejriwal? Of course, celebrations that have broken out.
Yes, few minutes back from now, there was massive celebration here outside the residence of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who is supposed to walk out from Tihar jail today evening. And here, just outside his residence, Sunita Kejriwal, along with other senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, walked out of his residence, and here they distributed sweets to the Karyakartas, and Sunita Kejriwal celebrated. And in fact, the leaders of Aam Aadmi Party said that this is nothing but a victory of Aam Aadmi Party and the lies that were peddled by the BJP, and in fact, it was a complete political conspiracy that was hatched by the BJP and in fact, they used the agency as a political tool. And now that all the leaders are out on bail, and in fact, they said that now they will be in fact attacking the BJP so as to exposing their lies, and we'll have to see what happens next as far as the political blame game is concerned, because Aam Aadmi Party has been very adamantly saying that yes, Arvind Kejriwal has walked out on bail, but earlier he was a jailed CM, now he is a bail CM, and that also with certain conditions. Certainly, Arvind Kejriwal will not be able to sign the official files, will not be able to go to Delhi Secretariat, will not be able to go to his office. So then what next for Aam Aadmi Party? This will be the big question if Arvind Kejriwal will not be able to hold the official procedures, and yet elections are set to come in the national capital. However, if we talk about the political impact, yes, it will certainly be in fact giving a big political impact as far as the Arvind Kejriwal's release is concerned, because Arvind Kejriwal is face number one.
When it comes to Tetri, the protocols that need to be followed right after, of course, the order copy that has now come out, exactly what happens when it comes to the conditions that have been applied on Arvind Kejriwal while being granted bail, and how much time will it actually take for him to be completely released from jail?
Well, you see, as far as the formalities are concerned, then what we're expecting is that first the order will have to reach to Tihar jail. There the formalities will be completed, and post that he will be released. So expected time at the time when Arvind Kejriwal can walk out of Tihar jail is expected in between 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And what we're also expecting is that all the leaders who have just reached at party headquarters, from there they will be going to Tihar jail, and Sunita Kejriwal, who is currently at her residence, she will be also going to Tihar jail. All the Karyakartas will be reaching there. A massive
He's been lodged in jail. However, today the Supreme Court granting him bail with, of course, conditions that have been applied, as the BJP has been calling it not a clean chit, not an acquittal, but the Aam Aadmi Party has been stating that this is a clear vindication to their leaders, who they believe have been put behind bars on false allegations. Tetri, thank you very much for the moment for joining in. Let's